Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix there is an issue with your payment method, update your payment information to correct the problem and try again. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start over without wasting any time. So first of all, what we need to do is just simply close this page, open setting, tap here, and from here tap payment and shipping and remove your payment method for one time, and after this simply scroll down and sign out your Apple ID, and after this simply force restart your device, and after this again open your setting, add your account and add your payment shipping and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then what we need to do is just simply close this page, open any browser, type here Apple Sport, tap here, tap on the device, simply scroll it down, and from here get sport. You can describe your problem here, and after this your problem will be fixed in 24 hours or maybe earlier. So guys, describe your problem here briefly, and your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.